Hi dear friends, today my topic is candy washing machine 12 kg. This is model wise CTT 127W dash 19. This machine having problem. Actually it is water not draining properly. You can see here while I'm selecting here drains water not draining. Because of that actually we have to check properly what is the exactly problem. Now I'm going to remove the back of the machine and drain selector sometime maybe this one selector breaking, otherwise after getting break also water not. Now I'm going to remove here. We can list off, after that this will come, and now we can check drain selector. It is cable not break. Here water you can see here it's coming very slowly. Something may be block, we have to open the here, and also no block here but still water inside. Now we have to remove the pulsator. After removing pulsator we can find out any blockage, something it is clogged, and we will remove the pulsator now. This one we have to remove safety cap. After that here screw we have to remove. Here you can see here still water. I open the drain cup also, drain selector everything's working. Now still water, it's not going, we can take it out now. Yes dear friends, you can see here this one here block already clogged with some lint. Now we have to remove this also. One filter is here, we can remove. Now you can see here it is too much dirty, it's already got block also here, that's why water not draining. You can see here. This is the problem, you can see here. After cleaning it will be okay. We have to clean properly this one. All the water gone out now. May okay. Now I already clean here. Now I have to refix here. It will come like that. This way. Now I have to tighten the screw properly as same before. Also we have to fix pulsate again. We have to tighten nut properly. Now we have to close this one. Now that part is clear. Now we have to fix again as same before, back of the machine. Here also a little bit dirty, we have to clean that one also. I wash it drain below. I have to free fix again. Now I can fix same like that before. Now we will try with the water again. Now we will select drain. Now it's okay, water draining properly. Now I have to close back of the machine. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks again.